Arrived at my new spot, Riverside Manor, and just filling up the water tank, and I'll move the van to a different angle. But as is, what a stunning little camp right next to the river. And I'll show you more of a tour with the other sites. Bit overcast today, but still stunning view here next to the river, and the river is pretty high. This would make a nice gathering, everybody sitting around with a braai in the middle. That's right next to the water as well. All sites got a light, tap, and a nice braai with a grid. And then you've got a switch to switch on the light on and off for yourself. Trip switches and 2 plugs. The ablution box and wash up area, and then also see a communal social area here. Ladies on this side and gents on the other side. Very nice and clean. Toilet, shower. Big rainwater tanks. The water can be boiled for drinking water. Site number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And I'm on site number 4. Braai is right on the river side.